comfy, flowy tank top I was sent to review from Meilanzj. It is really, really nice feeling. It washed and dried beautifully. It feels like almost like a silk or rayon. Lightweight, very easy to wear this in a number of ways. I'm 5'8". This is how it fits me. I usually wear like a small or medium on top. This is the medium. I think it's just meant to be very flowy. So here's how it looks down. I'm pairing it with a pair of Watto's jeans here. You could kind of tuck it in just a bit to give it a bit of a little more structured look. You could twist it to cinch it in and then tuck it into your pants. That's kind of a fun look too. And it really stays put. You can tuck it in completely. Bear with me a moment. Now it's kind of like a camisole. So that is tucked in completely. Then you can poof it out if you like. A little bit less restrictive. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That's fun. Oh, it's just like a really fun, flowy material. Very breezy and nice. You could also belt it depending on the look that you're going for to give you a more silhouette kind of thing, since it is so baggy. It is machine wash and dryable. And this is their bright green. I love this color. So gorgeous. I love it, and I know you will too.